Hello everyone, it's been a while since we have known each other. Do you remember me, guys? Yes, it's me, Sean. Today I'm not doing any gachas videos because of schoolwork, and of course, it's frustrating. But anyway, in this video, I'm going to talk about the Islamic architecture. The purpose of doing this video is because of my summative work. Don't mind that again. But first, there you go, I'm following the theme. Now, let's get started with the definition. Some of you might ask, what is the Islamic architecture? Islamic architecture is an influential, diverse, and rich building traditions that arose and developed throughout the Muslim world. This architecture is significantly based on religion, but is also influenced by culture, geography, and history. Islamic architecture is inspired by the teaching of the Quran and the traditions of the Prophet Muhammad SAW. It's aimed to create a space that are not only beautiful but also functional, peaceful, and spiritual uplifting. This type of architecture is often used in the place of worship like mosque, but it also includes other buildings such as madrasas, palaces, bazaars, mausoleums, and even homes. All of these structures are designed to encourage reflection, community, and harmony, which this is the key of principles in Islam. Now we're looking forward to the history of the Islamic architecture. Islamic architecture began in the 7th century during the rise of Islam in the Middle East. As Islam spread to the North Africa, Spain, Persia, India, and Southeast Asia, it may encounter many different cultures and artistic traditions. Instead of rejecting this influence, Islamic architects combine them with Islamic ideas, creating a rich and diverse architectural style. Let's take Masjid Nabawi as an example. This mosque is the second mosque that was built by the Prophet Muhammad in the Medina after the Quba Mosque. Originally, it was a simple open-air structure built with palm trunks and the attached roof. It serves not only as a place of prayer but also as a community center, court, and school. This reflects how Islamic architecture was always meant to support both spiritual and social life. Over the centuries, Masjid al-Nabawi has been expanded and renovated by different Islamic rulers. Today, it is one of the largest mosques in the world and one of the holiest sites in Islam, visited by millions of Muslims during Hajj and Umrah. Now, let's move on to the features of the Islamic architecture. Islamic architecture has several distinctive features that not only make it visually stunning, but also reflect Islamic beliefs and values. These features are often found in mosques, palaces, and other buildings across the Islamic world. Let's take a look at the features. First one, the dome. Domes are large, rounded roofs that create a sense of openness and heaven above. They are often placed above the main prayer area to give a spiritual and peaceful atmosphere. A great example is the Dome of the Rock in Jerusalem, which has one of the oldest and most beautiful domes in Islamic history. Another feature is called the minaret. Minarets are tall towers usually attached to mosques. They are used to call to prayer and are a symbol of Islam in many cities. One of the unique examples is the spiral minaret of the Great Mosque of Samarra, which is in Iraq. Another key feature is the mihrab and the qibla wall. Every mosque has a mihrab, which is a small niche in the wall showing the direction of Mecca, known as the Qibla. This helps Muslims face the right direction during prayer. Let's not forget about the arches and the courtyards. Arches are used to support large buildings and also add elegance. Courtyards provide open space, fresh air, and a calm area for gatherings and prayer. The Alhambra in Spain is a good example, which has a beautiful arches and peaceful courtyards. Islamic architecture isn't using image of people or animals, which it is a religious places. So instead, artists use geometric patterns, floral design, or also called arabesque, and Arabic calligraphy to decorate walls and ceilings. Water features like fountains or pools are often included. They represent purity, help with wudu, or also called ablution, and create a peaceful environment. At the end of this video, we summarize what we just learned. Islamic architecture is more than just a building. It is a reflection of Islamic faith, culture, and values. It began in the 7th century during the rise of Islam in the Middle East and quickly spread to different continents and countries such as North Africa, Iran, India, Spain, and Southeast Asia. We also include Masjid al-Nabawi as a major example, which is built by Prophet Muhammad in Medina. It started as a simple mosque and became one of the most largest and the holiest mosque in the world today. We also learned about the features of Islamic architecture such as domes, minarets, arches, courtyards, geometric patterns, Arabic calligraphy, and the mihrab that points towards Mecca. Islamic architecture continues to inspire people around the world, not only because of its beauty, but because of the deep meaning it holds within every design, every pattern, and every structure. About Islamic architecture is the most favorite thing I really want to learn. I really love the features such as Arabic calligraphy and the courtyards. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to comment and also give a feedback down below it. That's all for today and goodbye.